As mentioned earlier, this function is used to quickly duplicate an exact copy of a working edge-cut key by means of the optical reader. It is only used for edge-cut keys. Note: if the working key shows excess wear and you use this function, you will create a copy of a worn key. Refer back to the decoding procedure described in Decoding Standard Edge-Cut Keys to obtain original specifications or cuts on a worn key. Select Copy by Original to start the process. On the left of the screen, select the clamp for reading and cutting the key. Then select the stop position, 0 for a shoulder stop, or tip stop 1, 2, 3, or 4. When choosing a tip stop position, make sure the stop you choose will allow the entire length of the key blade to be read by the optical reader. In most cases, this will be tip stop 4. Clean the optical reader carefully with the brush before starting the process. Then select Read to begin. When completed, remove the key and load the key blank, positioning it with the same stop. Select Copy to start cutting.